Hello, in this video I will show you how to buy USDT on OKX wallet application. Now, it's a very easy process. So, just simply open your browser and then just simply open the exchange option right over here and make sure to log in your account. Now, after that, go to the buy crypto option, then click on express buy. Now, right over here, you will have the option of buy and sell. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy. So in the first option, you have to select what type of crypto you want to buy. So in this case, it's going to be USDT. And then over here at the top, you have to choose in which currency you want to pay. So click on the drop down box and choose whichever currency you want, like for example, USD. Now, as you can see, you will have the option of the minimum and the maximum that you can buy. So as you can see, you have to buy at least above $30, and the maximum that you can buy is up to $20,000. Now, just simply enter the value that you want to buy, and after that, you will see how much USDT you will receive in your wallet. Now, just simply click on buy USDT or whichever currency you are buying. After that, you will be in the payment processing page. Now, depending on the country or the currency you choose, the payment systems will differ. So as you can see, this is the current payment system for USD. Now you will have few options over here. The first is P2P Express, where you will have the wallet based payment systems. Then the other payment system is this one right over here. We will have the Apple Pay, Google Pay, Visa and MasterCard option. And the second one is MoonPay, which is also a third party payment system. It will offer you Visa and MasterCard. Now in my case, I'm going to go with this one. Now you just choose how you want to do the transaction. So in my case, I'm going to do this with Visa. Now after choosing the option, click on next and then click on buy USDT. Now it will take you to a new browser page where you will complete the transaction. So just let me wait for a few seconds. Now over here, you will have to do a quick verification of your OKX account. So just simply complete the verification process. So in the identifying option, you have to enter your ID card password or any one of these options and then identify yourself. And after you complete that process, in the third and the final section of payment, all you have to do is just simply complete the transaction after adding your card info, and then you will receive the crypto in your wallet. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.